we're exploring the Lower East Side, starting with a trip to the original location of the bagel shop Russ Daughters, followed by the new museum, which is a contemporary art museum. I'm Hava, and if you're new around here, consider subscribing to this channel, turning on notifications, and while you're at it, go ahead and hit that like button. It would really help to support this channel. Plus, if you want more day-to-day content, follow me over on Instagram at hava.media. The Lower East Side is a highly dense, highly diverse neighborhood in downtown Manhattan. I actually used to come here pretty often, considering the fact that the M, J, and F lines service the Lower East Side, and I used to live off of the MJ in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. Please have just a plain bagel with cream cheese toasted. Thanks. Given how well known Russ Daughters is, I figured I would just go for something really simple, a plain bagel and cream cheese. And this doesn't really leave a lot of room for creativity, but I have to say, really good. Probably one of the best plain bagels and cream cheese I've ever had. So 10 out of 10, and it costs about $6. I will say though, the other sandwiches cost significantly more, most of them $15 and up to like 20 something, because fish costs a lot more. Next up in the Lower East Side is the new museum, which is a contemporary art museum. I've heard that it has an emphasis on lesser known art, new ideas, and living artists. So here's some of what you can see at the new museum. Something interesting about this museum is that in order to stay true to its name, all of the art rotates because they have to continually be bringing in new art. So what you're seeing in these clips may not necessarily be what you see when you come sometime later, because it is constantly rotating. And that also means that even if you've seen it once, if you're a big art person, you might want to come back to this museum and see a whole bunch of new art. You know I love a good view, so I'm most excited about discovering the 7th floor sky room and this outdoor area where you get amazing views of the city. I mean, check this out. You can see downtown, you can see the Lower East Side. It's really spectacular. And around the other way, you can see more in the direction of Midtown, but I will say the most stunning views up here are definitely looking south. Another thing you can do from the Lower East Side is head to the entrance of the Williamsburg Bridge, walk across, and then you will be in Brooklyn, in one of the coolest neighborhoods in New York City. I used to live there, so maybe I'm a little biased, but I've got content on both the Williamsburg Bridge and Williamsburg itself, so you can watch those videos after this if you're interested. And if you're really interested and want to support this channel, make sure you subscribe, turn notifications turned on, like this video while you're at it, you know the drill. And also, you can find me over on Instagram at hava.media for day-to-day content. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you on the streets of New York, or at least in the next video. Bye!